Hey guys, this is my second Wacom tablet review overview video thing. I'll be talking about the settings and how you can use this with macOS 10, not necessarily the software that comes with it, but just how you can use it with your operating system. So also I'm video chatting with Candace and she wanted to say hi, so say hi.
Hey guys, what's up?
Okay, so let me just quick text edit. So as you can see, if I hover over the tablet, it moves my cursor. So I'm going to open System Preferences, and as you can see, I have Ink Preference and Pen Tablet Preference. So if I click on Pen Tablet, there's a bunch of options. So I can change the eraser feel. So if I have it on firm, it means I'll have to press harder for the eraser to work, and if I have it as soft, I barely have to press at all. I can also add a click sound, so if I click somewhere, it makes a click sound. And then I can also change these two pen button things to do different things. And here's the choices. The only one I really use is the ink toggle, and I'll explain what that is a little later. You can also change the tip feel, which is just like changing the eraser feel. Tracking, you get a bunch of options, as you can see here. I'm not going to go through all of it, but basically you can change your screen area, so you can make it so it only covers one monitor or just a portion of each monitor. You can make it proportionate and so on. And so the mouse setting, I don't use my mouse because you can only use it in this area and that's annoying. But you can change, just like the Mighty Mouse, you can change what the scroll wheel does when you click it. The right and the left click button does. So there's a bunch of options. You can also disable the wheel function and change the amount of lines that you scroll per each notch. So as you can see, when I scroll, you can probably hear that. That's like each notch. Then you can also change the tracking and make it really fast or slow. And then tablet settings. Like I said in my first video, you can customize these buttons at the top, and so I have my back and forward buttons. FN1 is show desktop, and then FN2 is expose, but you can't tell because I don't have any other windows open. And let me zoom out for a second. Sorry for the messy zooming. And I can also change the function of this touch ring. So right now it's scrolling, but I can't show you that because with ScreenFlow, it's just really laggy. So then the pop-up menu settings, this is pretty cool. So I can add a keystroke, and let's say I click add special, and I can make that like capture selection. Okay, so now I can name it. Now if I go back to my pen settings, or let's say tablet settings, and I make this express key keystroke, or no, pop-up menu, and I click the button, as you can see, you get two options, dashboard and capture select. These are the two that I made. So if I click dashboard, it shows my dashboard, and capture select changes my cursor to the screenshot thing, and I can take a picture. So that's really useful. You can also, you can add open, so you can open an application. And so that's pretty much it for the tablet settings. So now the ink. Basically, it can recognize your handwriting. You can change your, say if your handwriting is closely spaced or widely spaced, and change which button you hold to ink. Inking is basically kind of like, I guess, writing. So if I say show ink window and I write hi. Okay, that didn't work that time. It recognized my handwriting, and as you can see, ink pad. And so that's pretty much it for the tablet settings. So now the ink. Basically, it can recognize your handwriting. You can change your, say if your handwriting is closely spaced or widely spaced, and change which button you hold to ink. Inking is basically kind of like, I guess, writing. So if I say show ink window and I write hi. Okay, that didn't work that time. It recognized my handwriting, and as you can see, ink pad font is Apple Casual, so that's what my writing looks like. And language, just language. Gestures, these are shortcuts that you can use, so I can undo a move by drawing a weird U. And then word list is to add uncommon words that you use a lot that you think the computer might not recognize. And then if I click options here, there's more options that I don't really want to go over. And so inking is useful because, as you can see in the menu bar, I have this little pen icon. I have it so that I can write anywhere. And if I click show ink window, basically I'm going to open text edit. And if I draw a picture by clicking on the star icon at the bottom, if I draw I don't know, a random guy. Woo, okay. And if I click send, it sends it to that application that's open. If this was iChat, it would send it, it would put it in the little box where you put text as a PNG that you can send to whoever you're chatting with. I can also write, and as you can see, it adds it to the text edit document. So it's a really cool feature. You can also use the handwriting recognition to go into Spotlight. I could just write like this, and it would find the application or whatever document I'm looking for. And that's pretty much it for the settings and stuff. I don't know if I'm going to actually review the software that came with it. I might, just depends if you guys want to see it. So comment below and tell me if you want to see the software that it came with, because it's really impressive. So thanks for watching, and have a good night or day or whatever time it is that you're watching this video.